Hi guys, welcome to Flying Grip Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to execute Linux command. What we are going to do is I have already shown how to install Windows Linux subsystem. By using a Windows Linux subsystem, you can able to use Ubuntu, and in order to use a Ubuntu, I am going to type the command bash. By typing the command bash, it is going to execute the warn again shell. Now it is going to show the dollar terminal on your screen. Now the first command I am going to type is clear. Clear is used to clear the screen. Now here we are using a Windows environment. By using a Windows environment, you can able to see C, D, E, F and so on, the drives. And I would like to show you how many drives are there in your computer. ls slash mount slash. It is going to show C, D, E, F and G directories, drives in your computer. Now I need to go to the G drive. I am using a command called cd. Cd stands for change the directory. Now I am going to type backslash mount. So which particular drive you want to mount is G. Now here it is showing G drive. Now I am going to create a directory. For example, if you want to create a directory, I am using a command called mkdir. Mkdir, I am going to type the directory name dir name. So now let us see in G drive whether the directory has created or not. So now we have created a dir name, which is a folder which is empty. Here we have empty directory. Next command I am going to use is rmdir. rmdir name. So rmdir is used to remove the directory. Here you can able to see there is a directory which is no longer available. Now here I am using a command called cat. Cat command can use it to create, append, show the content of a file. By using a cat command, you can able to create a file. So now I am using a greater than symbol. By using a greater than symbol, what I am going to do is I am going to type a file name. File name .txt. There are extensions .text, .doc and many other formats are there. We are using a .text. For example, if you are using a C program .filename.c, C++ .cpp, java and so on. Here I am going to type I am file from G drive. Okay, so this is a file from G drive. I am residing inside folder. Which folder? dir name. Now if you want to save the program, press Ctrl D, and if you want to terminate the program, Ctrl C. Now if you want to view the content of the file name, cat space filename.txt. Now it is going to show the content of the file here. What we have typed, this is the content of the file. Now do you see the directory name and the file is inside the directory. I need to come one step backward. Now again I need to use a mount command. Then I need to delete the G directory. rmdir space G. Now the file is dash deleted G directory. Now here no G directory is available in G. This way we are going to create a files and we are going to remove the files. Now the next command we are going to discuss is pwd. If you are typing the pwd command, it is going to show which particular directory you are residing. PWD stands for print working directory. Now it is going to show current working directory where you are residing. So now if you want to come backward, at that time we are going to use the command cd hyphen so that cd hyphen is used to come one step backward. Now if you are typing a cd command, it will go to the home directory. SSH command, by using a SSH command you can able to log in to the remote server. SSH stands for secure shell. You can able to type the IP address 10.66.17.28.25. so here you need to type the username, so where it can able to connect to the remote host. Here it is going to connect the remote host which is located in some way, some location, and here you are going to give the IP address and followed by the username. So next command is free command. It is going to show how much space is there in your system. Here it is going to show how much total space is available, how much used space. Top command. By using a top command, it is going to show you activities of your particular processor. Next command is ps command. If you are using a ps command, it is going to show process ps-a, which is going to list out all the process which is currently running. So next, if you want to kill the process, a command you can able to use a kill the process ID. Now we are going to use a command man space ls. It is going to show what are the available options are available here. So if you want to quit, you are going to press Q. So here if you are going to type who is a command which recognizes who is the current users are working. If you are typing who am I, it is going to show, because we are not in an environment like a network or so because of that reason it is not at all showing by typing the who command. So next one, next commands are filter commands which we are using. Now I am going to go to the folder cd f. F is a folder which we are having here. In F we are having a file name, and now I am going to use a head file name. Head file name dot txt. Head is going to show first 10 lines by default. Here what I will do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I have to type totally 10. I have saved this one. Next, the same command we execute. It will display first 10 lines by default. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 lines are displayed in the screen. Similarly, instead of head, I am going to type tile command. It is going to display last 10 lines. Here it is showing 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From last it is displaying. If you want to display only a few lines at the time, you can able to specify tile hyphen 5. Only 5 number of lines. It is displaying last 5 lines 10, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am going to display head here, similar manner it is going to display first 5 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this manner, head and tile command works. Next command we are going to use is df. Df is a command which shows the disk free available space. And if you are typing du command, it is going to show the disk utilization currently running. Next command we are using is grep. In this same file, I am going to search for a particular pattern grep followed by high. How many times this particular high is repeated? So now here I am going to type grep. Grep stands for global regular expression. So now I am going to type this command. So which pattern I am going to type? Here I have copied high. From which file you want to specify? File name dot txt. So now high is repeated. That particular line will be displayed on the screen. So now here if you want to search 1, it is going to display the results 1 and 10, because in 10 also 1 is there. Because of that reason, grep is going to retrieve 1. Who is a command which is going to show the current user. It is not showing. So now who am I? It is going to show the username. Flying grip is a username. Next command is date command. If you are typing the date command, it is going to show date on the screen. It is going to show today's date, Monday, November 14, 7/4 AM. Next command is time. It is going to show the time of a different users, system time, user time, and real time. Here within this particular folder, what I am going to do is, here I am going to create one more file. Hello. Within this hello, so this is the thing I am going to save. The next command is diff command. It is going to show the differences, file name and hello. Next command is tr command. Here we are going to compare the command emp by using a command compare file 1 and file 2 hello.txt with file name.txt. So now it is going to show the differences by 2 and line 1, which there are differences. So next we are having a editors, so which are vi, ex and so on. Now if I want to type a file, I am going to type ex space file name dot c. So it will be asking to type visual visual. Now I am going to type hash include stdio.h. Next I am going to type int main. Next I am going to type printf hello. I am going to close this brace. So now I am going to press escape colon wq. Wq stands for save and quit the program. If you want to execute this C file, cc space ex.c file name.c. So now it is compiled successfully. In order to execute, we are going to type the command ./a.out file name. Now it is showing hello. In a similar manner, we are having another editor called vi space file name .c. It is also showing the same thing. You need to type I to insert. If you want to insert any text, you can able to insert the text. Here I am going to type printf I am va editor. So save the program, escape colon WQ, save and quit the program. Now the same thing, compile the program, run the program. What it is showing? I am VA editor and it is showing here. The next editor, if you want to use, you can able to use a editor called nano filename.c. Here nano is a editor which you can able to use. Here I am going to type /n so that we need to get a new line. For that I am using a /n command, and now all the options are here at the bottom. Control X to exit, write out, varies, cut, copy, paste, justify, and if you want to save the program, you can able to save the program by pressing Ctrl G. So now I am going to save the program by pressing Ctrl X. We have saved the program by pressing Ctrl X. So you want to modify the program or not, you press S. So then you can able to quit the program. Ctrl X to execute. Do you want to save the program? Type Y. So press enter. You can able to exit from the program. We have saved the nano file. So now again I am going to run the program. cc space file name /data. Now hello is a thing which is comes in a new line, and this is text process utility commands. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.